Hello students, good morning. See, this is bicycle. Bicycle have two wheels. Do you have bicycle? Do you like to ride the bicycle? Yes. When you ride the bicycle, you became fit and strong. What are the other benefits of the bicycle? See, you you do not have to put the petrol, diesel in the bicycle like the others vehicles. Yes or no? But then also you can travel from one place to other place. And there is a no air pollution from the bicycle. So students, our today's topic is also about the bicycle. And in that topic, there are two friends. Okay. So let's see what are the two friends doing with the bicycle. Okay. So open your English textbook, page number 39. Unit 4.7 Bicycle. Now let's read the topic. Raj is on the bicycle. Bharat wants it. Bharat pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. How do you think Raj feels? How do you think Bharat feels? Raj cries. He feels sad and angry. What do you think will happen next? Raj grabs the bicycle back. Raj and Bharat shout. Sushma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset. And Bharat, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Bharat. I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that, said Raj. Raj and Bharat both want the bicycle. What could they do? Bharat can have the bicycle. When I have finished my turn, I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it's your turn. Okay, I will count. They have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it is Bharat's turn. They have both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? How is Bharat feeling now? Children, you can see a boy is riding the bicycle. His name is Raj. Raj is happily rides the bicycle. And yes or no? Yes. Raj is on the bicycle. Bharat wants it. Bharat pushes Raj off. Another boy, his name is Bharat. He also wants the bicycle. So he pushes off the Raj and takes his bicycle and rides it. Yes, you can see in this picture Bharat is pushing to Raj. Push means dhakelna. So Raj fell down and started crying. Why? He got hurt. But Bharat, not paying attention towards Raj, Bharat started riding and enjoying it. How do you think Raj feels? Students, when someone takes your bicycle without your permission, how do you feel? Yes, you will get angry. The same way, Raj also feels sad and angry. How do you think Bharat feels? See, Bharat is smiling. So he feels very happy because he got the bicycle. But Raj became very angry. Yes, in that anger, he grabbed the bicycle back. Yes, he grabbed the bicycle from the Bharat. Grab means छीन लेना. Raj grabbed the bicycle back. Then what happened? Raj and Bharat started to shouting, and started to fighting. So there were lots of noise. And then suddenly Sushma madam comes out and inquires why they are shouting. She asks to Raj, Raj, You look upset. And Bharat, you seem angry. Why? What happened? Why both of you shouting? Hmm? Then Bharat is saying, I want the bicycle. I want to ride the bicycle. Then Raj is saying, I was on the bicycle. You pushed me. Don't do that. I got hurt. You didn't ask me. I was riding. If you want the bicycle, you should ask me, no? How can you push me? Don't do that. Raj and Bharat both want the bicycle. What could they do? Then Raj said, Bharat can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. Bharat will also get the bicycle for riding. But when I will finish my turn, then only Bharat will get it. I will ride 3 times. Then it's your turn. Then Bharat said, okay, I agree. I will count. Then they have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it's a Bharat's turn and they have both had a turn. Now Bharat and Raj found the solution and they both riding the bicycle and they feel very happy. They are enjoying the riding. Now how is Raj feeling? How is Bharat feeling now? Yes, they both are very happy. They feels very happy. Yes or no? Yes. So students, what did you learn from this? Yes, we should not fight with each other. Fighting will not help. We should behave very politely. We should never push anyone. It's a bad manners. If you want something, you request them. You can ask. Yes. And share your things with your friends. And without asking, don't take anything. And children, you should not hurt anybody. Okay? Understood? Now let's read new words. bicycle, bicycle. rides, rides. feels, fields. cries, cries. sad, angry, angry. next, next. grabs, grabs. shout, shout. upset, upset. pushed, pushed. turn, turn. count, count. Now children, question number 2 is answer the following questions. First one is, who is on the bicycle? Who is on the bicycle? Yes, the answer is Raj is on the bicycle. B. What does Raj grab back? Answer is Raj grabs the bicycle back. C. What do Raj and Bharat want? Raj and Bharat want the bicycle. And last question is, how many rounds do Raj and Bharat have? The answer is Raj and Bharat have 3 rounds. Yes. Now question number 3. How do you feel? Draw and write. Okay. You also draw and write how do you feel in your textbook page number 40. Okay. First one is when you get a chocolate. How do you feel? Happy, no? Yes, happy, happy. And there is a smiley of happiness. Yes, happy and sad. There are two smileys. Okay, so when you get a chocolate, you feel happy. Then second, when you share your things, it's a good habit. Yes, how you feel when you share your things? है ना? Means you are helping your friends, helping others. That time you feel happy. Yes. Next, when you help your friend. Yes, when you help your friends, you become very happy. And last one, when you lost your pencil. Oh, then how you feel? Sad, no? If you lost your pencil, you feel happy? No, sad. Okay.